ko, what's in here dito sa food supplement lang, pero bakit ako gumaling? Nag-clear yung aking multiple myoma, fatty liver, yung aking cyst, and merong nakitang breast mass na wala rin yun, na-clear talaga. And yung aking contact dermatitis na pagod ako, katatago ng mga sugat, nawala siya eh. Talagang sabi ko, ito lang yung food supplement o natural products na tinake ko siya religiously for 1 month. I consider it as a healing food. Nag-normalize yung lahat ng nakita sa akin before nung unang check-up ko. Lahat ng food supplement outside the market may nutrients. But the key differentiating factor is tayo lang ang merong PPARS amylase na nandito sa Cryptomonadales. It has 13 to 15% PPARS amylase. Yun yung nakakagaling. With just 1 month of taking cleanse for detoxification, ang naman nito is soluble and insoluble fibers. Ito namang ating Cryptomonadales from Taiwan. Mas maganda kung i-try nyo. This is natural. Ang maganda dito, tinitake nyo lang sa food. It will help us sa ating mga health concerns. Ang pinakagusto ko kasi yung pagiging natural niya. Ma-attendan nyo yung ating mga health concerns naturally. Wala siyang side effect. At ang good news po, pwede nyo nang mabili ang ating cleanse at Cryptomonadales sa official TikTok store. Just click the yellow basket below. So, check out na! Ganun para side effect, nakakabata at nakakasexy.